All right, YouTube, 16 Falconer, back with another freaking exciting video. Picked me up a battery jumper from Harbor Freight. $99. The Viking 1000 amp jumper. I needed one. And this one, well, you got a USB charging port. You got a work light. You got a 12 volt. Then on the back side, you got a little compressor. So I thought this was going to be, be good to have. You got a compressor, a jumper, this, that, keep it in the vehicle. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try the compressor. I'm not going to try the jumper because, what the hell. Now, the thing with this, your air hose stays in this little cheap door here. It's quite light duty, but your charging cord, there's not room for it to go into this storage compartment. So here's your air hose coming out. Now, something I don't know if it's going to prove to be problematic is you have to screw this onto the valve stem. So it depends on how quick you can get it on and off, to maintain air pressure. But, in a pinch, what the hell. So let me set the camera up and we'll try to hook this prick up, see what happens. Back in a minute. All right. So let's see what's going to happen. My low pressure light's been on for since last winter. It's August, 4th now, 2024. So. But I don't hardly drive this car at all, so it's never really, I don't really give a shit. But it's coming up for inspection, so I got to make sure everything's tight. All right, so the compressor, it says 15 minutes run time, then you got to let it cool for 30 minutes. So let's, 32 pounds, front and back's what's supposed to be in here. So let's take a look-see here. Well, that went on there pretty quick. Let's see what the little gauge says. It's showing 32 pounds. 25, 30, 35. Actually, a little over. She's about 34 pounds. So I don't need air in that one. Let's find the guilty party here. Yes, we know you're here, bird. All right, so we'll try this one. Oh. Doop boop boo. Oh, and then it comes with a couple little cheap, for, you got your thing for blowing up, football, volleyball, whatever, basketball. And you got these little plastic ones for blowing up, whatever. Floaties and shit. All right, let's try this, yeah. Doop boop boo. Okay, so what are we at here? Okay, this one here we're about 24 pounds. So let's see what she does. Let's see, I think we're just supposed to turn this on. Got a little work light on the gauge. I'll just run it up to 35. Let's see how long it takes. It's about at 30 pounds. Supposedly it would go up to 150 pounds, but I think that'd be pushing it. Okay, we're at 30. I read one review online that says they couldn't figure out how to operate the air compressor. I don't know. You just turn it on. And we're at about 34 pounds. Well, that worked out pretty good. That was quicker than I thought. Let's see what the, still showing full charge. Let's try the other tires. Doop, boop, boo. All right, let's see what this one says. Well, the hose, I was a little worried about it. The valve stems were on the top, but hose is long enough. All right, so this tire's at like 30 pounds. All right, there we are, 34. Now, might as well hit the front tire, the last front tire here. Boop, boop, boo. Come on, get on there. All right. Oh shit, that one's that's already at 35 pounds. So it was just the two back that were a little low. Well, there you go, man. That it worked better than I expected. This is how you charge it up. You drop that down, plug your thing in and into the wall, and it took about I think it was about 8 hours to fully charge this when I got it. So I'm sure the jump function will work just fine. So anyways, that's it, man. I thought I'd check out the compressor on it. It's really not bad. For 99 bucks, hell, that's a pretty good deal. So, all right. Well, that'll be it. What are you doing, you cock? Freaking birds. All right. See ya, bitches.